We'll guide you through how to transfer everything and all data from an old iPhone to an iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro or iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to do as then it's going to be like your old iPhone but new. So what we're going to do is go and unlock this here by swiping up, choose your language, which is English. Now you need to go and find your country or region. I'm from the United Kingdom, so I'll come all the way down here. Here it is, I'll tap there. Next, make sure you read this through and understand it, and you can go and press continue. You can then go and choose the appearance. So default's currently selected, but you can try using medium or large. Look at the preview and go and see how you like it. Then you can go and press continue. Now we can go and quickly set it up with an old iPhone. So what you need to do is on the iPhone, just go and have it unlocked like so, and we should then go and get this pop-up. And what you can then do is go and press continue. We're going to be using this Apple account. Let's go and press continue. And then what we need to do is go and scan this with the old iPhone, as you can see. Choose who you're signing in with. If you've got a child account, you can use that. In this case, I'm using me. Now you need to go and enter the passcode of your other iPhone like so. It will now go and activate the new iPhone. We can go and set up mobile service by using a QR code. I'll go and transfer the SIM card shortly, so I'll press setup later. Then you can make sure you read this through. I have, and press continue. Now we can go and set up Face ID, which is quick and easy to go and unlock it. So press continue. Then you can go and press get started. You'll need to go and rotate your face and follow the instructions. It's really straightforward. Now you can go and set it up with a mask. Then we can go and press continue. Now we can go and start the transfer. So we can go and press continue. You need to agree to the terms and conditions. I've read these, so I'll press agree. You can see the Apple ID account is signing in here. Be patient. You can go and confirm this and then go and press continue. Choose if you want location services. I do. You can then go and use stolen device protection. I won't do that. I'll turn it on later. I'll go and add this card. Just go and wait for it to be added to the wallet, and now successfully has. Choose if you wish to go and share iPhone analytics. I won't. I'll press don't share. You can then go through and set up Apple Intelligence. So let's go and press continue. Choose if you want to go and summarize notifications. I won't. Choose priority notifications. I won't. We can go and set up Siri, which is really useful for helping find out information. So I'll press continue, and we can then go and start speaking to Siri. There'll be some prompts. Siri, how's the weather? We can then go and press continue. You can go and read about emergency SOS and press continue. Now the transfer will begin. So what we want to do is simply go and wait. When it's complete, it will say transfer complete, and the iPhone 17 is going to go and restart. Now we can go and unlock it. You can see the restore was complete. We can go and press continue and then done. We can then press get started. And now you're going to see that the apps have been transferred. Now these are going to go and download now. Moving the SIM card is really easy. On the old iPhone, remove any case it may have and go and locate the SIM card tray. As you can see, it's on the left here. Go and get the SIM card tool. One of these would have come in a new iPhone box. So you can go and use that. You can always go and use a paper clip. Go and push this in the hole and you can remove it and remove the SIM. Come on to the new iPhone with the pin and you can go and pop out the tray. Make sure you align the SIM correctly. It will only go and sit in one way. Then you can go and insert it into the iPhone. That's it. Wait for the app to download and you can then use it.